Pause the video to work on these problems. When you're done, unpause the video to take a look at the answers and the solutions. Pause the video to take a look at the answers or keep playing the video to see the solutions. Let's now solve these problems. So 5 and 1/3 plus 2 and 1/6. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So we have now added up the wholes, and 1/3 plus 1/6 equals a half. So 5 and 1/3 plus 2 and 1/6 equals 7 and a half. The next problem is 4 and a half plus 1 and 1/3 plus 2 and 1/6. Again, let's add up the wholes. 4 plus 1 plus 2 equals 7. Then let's add up the fractional parts. 1 half plus 1/3 plus 1/6. How do we do that? We know that 1/3 plus 1/6 is a half, and half plus half equals 1. So the sum of this is 8. The next problem is 5 minus 2 and 1/8. So let's first take away the whole. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So we have already taken away 2. Now let's take away 1/8. So 3 minus 1/8 equals 2 and 7/8. So this is 2 and 7/8. Next is 3 and a half minus 2 and 1/4. Let's do the same thing. We'll start with 3 and a half and take away the whole, which is 2. So we are left with 1 and a half. Now from 1 and a half, if we take away 1/4, we'll be left with 1 and 1/4. The next problem is 3 and a half plus 2 and 3/4. So let's add up the wholes. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And now let's take the fractional parts. Half plus 3/4. How do we add this? We know that 3/4 is made of half and of 1/4. And if we add together these halves, we get a 1. And we have this 1/4 left over. So we have 5 plus 1, 6, and a 1/4. So that is 6 and 1/4. The next one is 5 and 1/4 minus 3/4. So we know that 3/4 is made of 1/4 and a half. Let's get rid of the 1/4 first. So 5 and 1/4 take away 1/4 equals 5. And 5, so we have gotten rid of this 1/4. And 5 minus half equals 4 and a half. The next one is 2 and 1/4 minus half. So we'll do the same thing. We know that half is made of 1/4 and 1/4. We really want to get rid of this 1/4. So 2 and 1/4 minus 1/4 equals 2. So we got rid of this 1/4. And now we have to take away this 1/4. So 2 minus another 1/4 equals 1 and 3/4. So 2 and 1/4 minus half equals 1 and 3/4. The next one is 3 and 1/6 minus 1 and a half. So let's take away the whole. 3 and 1/6 minus 1 equals 2 and 1/6. Then 2 and 1/6 minus half. We know that half is made of 1/6 and 1/3. So if we do 2 and 1/6 minus 1/6, you're left with 2. So we have taken away this 1/6, and 2 minus 1/3 equals 1 and 2/3. So 3 and 1/6 minus 1 and a half is 1 and 2/3. In this problem, we are told that Donna bought 2 and 1/3 pounds of gala apples and 3 and 1/6 pounds of pink apples at a fair. She gave 1 and 1/4 pounds of apples to her neighbors, and we have to figure out how many pounds of apples were left for her. So this problem we can solve in 2 steps. The first step is to figure out how many pounds of apples did Donna buy. So she bought 2 and 1/3 pounds of gala apples plus 3 and 1/6 pounds of pink apples. How much does that make? So let's add the wholes first. We know that 2 plus 3 equals 5. And then 1/3 plus 1/6 equals half. So she bought 5.5 pounds of 5.5 pounds of apples altogether. The next step is to figure out that once she gives away 1 and 1/4 pounds of apples, how many apples are left for her. So she starts with 5.5 pounds of apples and she gives away 1 and 1/4 pounds of apples. So how do we do this? Let's start with 5.5 minus 1 equals 4.5, and then 4.5 minus 1/4 equals 4 and 1/4. So she is left with 4 and 1/4 pounds of apples, and let's write that down. Donna was left with 4 and 1/4 pounds of apples. In this problem, we are told that Kiara had a red ribbon that was 6.5 feet long and a blue ribbon that was 2 3/4 feet long. So the first part of the question asks you, how many feet of ribbon did Kiara have altogether? So let's make these ribbons. The first ribbon, that's the red ribbon, is 6.5 feet long, and the blue ribbon is 2 3/4 feet long. Let's set up an equation for this. 6.5 plus 2 3/4 equal. So we know that 6 plus 2 equal 8, and half plus 3/4. Well, how do we add this? We know 3/4 is made of half and 1/4. 1/4. And if we add together these halves, we know it's 1. So we have 8 plus 1, 9, and another 1/4. So that is 9 and 1/4. So here is the answer sentence. Kiara had 9 and 1/4 feet of ribbon altogether. The next part is asking us how much longer was a red ribbon than the blue ribbon. So let's draw a model for this. This is the red ribbon, which is 6.5 feet long, and this is the blue ribbon, which is 2 3/4 feet long. So what would the equation for this look like? 6.5 minus 2 3/4. And how would we do that? 6.5 minus 2 equals 4.5. And 4.5 minus 3/4, we know 3/4 is made of half and 1/4. So if we do 4.5 minus half, that would be 4, and 4 minus 1/4 would be 3 3/4. So the answer sentence for this would be, the red ribbon was 3 3/4 feet longer than the blue ribbon.